Hi guys, welcome to Excel and MathSci. So today we're looking at this question where it says the point C14 lies on the circle, centre -1, 6. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at C. So if you remember, if you've got a circle and a tangent to the circle, and if you have the radius, they both meet at 90 degrees. In other words, they're perpendicular to each other. So if this is our point C and this is our centre -1, 6, so what we need to do is first of all find the gradient of the radius. So we've got these points. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to label them x1, y1, x2, y2. So plug it into this gradient formula. So it'll be 6 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. That'll be 2 divided by -2, which is -1. Therefore, our perpendicular gradient, the gradient of the tangent, would be 1. Because you remember, if the two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient gives you -1. Now we're going to be using the point 1, 4 since that lies on the tangent. So that's 1, 4. So that's my AB. And my gradient is 1. I'm going to plug it into this formula. So that's y minus 4, 1 times minus a. That'll give me x minus 1. If I take the 4 to the other side, that'll give me x minus 1 plus 4, y equals x minus, so that'll be -1 plus 4, that'll give me plus 3. So that will be the equation of the tangent to the circle. Thank you for watching.